The U.S. Supreme Court will decide in mail if mail-in ballots for federal elections can now still be counted after the polls close on Election Day, allowing for a decision before the 2026 midterms.
12 News political reporter Cameron Smith joins us in studio. And Cam, who is asking the Supreme Court to make the ruling?
Hey, Melanie, the Republican National Committee and other people are challenging a law Mississippi passed during COVID, which allows mail-in ballots to be counted up to 5 days after the election, if postmarked on or before Election Day. Mississippi is one of 16 states that counts ballots that comes in late. Spencer Ritchie is representing the Republican National Convention, the Mississippi Republican Party, and two others. And Secretary Michael Watson is being represented by Attorney General Lynn Fitch's office. Ritchie says this lawsuit is more about election integrity than election results. Federal law sets the first Tuesday in November as Election Day.
By allowing these ballots to come in after Election Day, these statutes in Mississippi and other states violated federal law. That's the theory behind the case.
I hope that the court actually extends the voting process after the deadline as far as possible so that more votes are counted.
The Attorney General's office shared with our partner, The Hill, quote, "The stakes are high. Ballots cast by but received after Election Day can swing close races and change the course of the country," end quote. We reached out to Secretary of State Michael Watson's office. They said they are not commenting on the case since it's pending litigation. Ritchie suspects the U.S. Supreme Court could hear arguments in the case in the spring, but a date has not been set. Sometime after the hearing, both parties would have to wait for the court to write and issue an opinion. The outcome of the Supreme Court's decision could impact the midterm elections.